Darlene here. This won't take me long to tell you. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I made some fire cider and that I had some that I made last August. And I had left all of the ingredients in the jar. But today I did something with it. So I'll turn you around here. I repurposed a kombucha bottle that was empty, and I strained out all the actual fire cider out of my bottle. And you'll have to go back and watch my other video to see what it looked like. And then I took 1 can of tomato sauce and added it to all of the fire cider stuff, all the stuff that I took out of the liquid. I threw it all in my blender and I blended it up. And then I put it in jars and I canned it. I got 1 pint and 2 half pints. And I tasted it. It was very good. I found that it kind of needed, I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in that one and about half that much in each of these. Just so you could taste, you could actually get more taste. And it wasn't too hot. I was thinking it would be pretty hot. It was hot, all right. Spicy hot, but it wasn't too spicy hot. It was good. I think the tomato sauce kind of tempered it down so that it wasn't too spicy. So I'm excited to have those. Once those cool down, I will label them, and I have those ready for some chips. So that was the exciting thing that I did today. I hope you had a good day and did something exciting too. Until my next video, may the good Lord richly bless you. Bye.